for 4. There's a place here where you put your outside shoes. So we put ours there inside already. And then, so from there, you open the door. And there's another door here. So inside, you can see we have a dining table here. And this is where you'll hang your clothes. Right? And this is what the room looks like. So there's a second floor there where you can sleep in the floor, and then down is the regular size or ordinary size type of bed, and there's a dresser here, and we have an oven and a mini fridge, and we have a sink here as well. And then I don't know what this is, ordering food probably. Don't need to enter, yeah, for ordering food. And then here, kompleto siya. So, may mga bowls and cups and plates. Here sa ilalim, I don't know what's inside. Let us see. Kompleto din siya here. So, meron din siyang utensils here. So, we have an electric kettle, tray, and we have the spoon, fork, and kitchen scissors. And then here, just a sink, and then here we have chopping board and big plate, serving plate. And then here we have the modern television here as well. And then let's see the toilet. Okay, so the toilet inside, complete with sets of towels and hair dryer. You have the this is the wet type of shower. So where in the sink there's no separation wall or door from the sink and the toilet seat. Okay, so that's the traditional Korean shower room. So it's complete also with the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and we have a hand soap as well. There's just no toothbrush and toothpaste because it's common in Korean hotels and Airbnbs that they do not provide the toothbrush and toothpaste because it's in the Korean law. They as much as possible they're not allowed to provide as such. I think there's yung parang if you're only a certain amount of rooms, so 80 yata or something, you're not allowed to provide disposable toothbrushes and toothpaste. This is the breakfast that's included in the hotel. So this is tok, rice cakes, tomatoes, and some oranges and bayabas. I don't know the English. Coffee. Ito, I think this is a black sesame soup probably. I'll taste later.
Good morning! Magpipikpas na kami. Parang yung sa siopaw na may palaman na black beans.
Black bean soup.
Parang gano'n. Di ba sa siopaw may black beans, may asado, may pork, may ano. Ito parang yun ang nakalagay. Matamis. Parang yung monggo, siopaw monggo.
Masarap naman.
Hindi matamis. Okay lang, mapait-pait lang. Coffee. Ano ito? May sugar na ba ito?
Wala pa.
Asan sugar?
Wala sa sugar na lang. Tapos lang
okay na yun. Pwede na yun.
Ito yung ano nila.
Ano tawag ito?
Kok kasi tawag ito.
Parang yung sa atin na tikoy?
Parang gano'n.
Parang tikoy. Chewing gum Parang chewing gum. Ito naman po itim.
Pareho lang.
Ito itim.
Green.
Makunat, parang goma.
Maalat, di ba?
Kunti lang. Tama ito, hindi gaya sa ating maalat.
Tikoy dati matamis eh. Maalat tikoy.
Bali lang. Saka sa ibabaw lang. Kaya ko. Siguro isang ano yan. Isang ano pinut. Sinachop-chop. Kopyang munggo. Siopaw na munggo.
Black sesame.
Mga, munggo. Mga munggo. Ito, gana ng kamatis nila. Palit. Patigas. Healthy na siya kumain. Healthy yan. Yung kape na walang asukal.